COBBIZ.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Dikshit and you're watching COBBIZ. Today in this video, we are going to tell you about the FSSAI license renewal. During the discussion, we'll first of all talk about what is FSSAI license renewal. What is the procedure, what are the documents that you will be requiring at the time of your license renewal, and at last the consequences that you will be faced if you fail to get your license renewed. So let's begin the video. So first of all, we'll talk about what is FSSAI license renewal and why it's important. Look, every food business operators in India who are dealing in food business, it's mandatory for them to have a valid FSSAI license so that a consumer can get a product that is safe and hygienic for them in consumption, laid down under the standard of FSSAI Act. The validity of food license is for 5 years, and after 5 years your license needs to be get renewed. So every food business operators who has a valid food license and it's getting expired or is being expired, then it's time for its renewed, and the renewal of the license is done 30 days before of the expiration of current food license. FSSAI license renewal procedure. Now we will talk about the FSSAI license renewal procedure. So you have to file the application form A for basic registration renewal and form B for state and central registration renewal with the signature of authorized signatory. So after the procedure, we are going to discuss about the document that you will be requiring at the time of FSSAI license renewal. For basic registration, Form A is expected to be submitted and signed by FBO along with the supporting document. Identity proof such as PAN card, driving license, voter ID card, passport, Aadhaar card and senior citizen card. 2 passport size photos of applicant. NOC by municipality or panchayat health department if any, rent agreement if any. For state or central FSSAI license, duly completed and signed Form B, photo proof and address proof of proprietor, partner, director or authorized signatory. Layout plan of the food processing plant, list of directors with the full address and contact detail, ID and address proof of the above person, list of food category, authority letter nominated by the manufacturer to the act on behalf of him. NOC from the municipality or any other local body, name and number of equipment as per installed capacity and horsepower for manufacturing and processing unit, partnership deed or affidavit of proprietor, and in case of company, a company of memorandum of association and article of association as well is required. Specify the source of raw material of meat and meat processing unit and source of milk and milk related product and milk collection center where it's applicable. For hotel industry, certificate provided by the Ministry of Tourism. Pesticide residue report of water for packaging of product like mineral carbonated beverages, certificate from the Ministry of Commerce for 100% EOU in the case of central license, IEC registration document issued by DGFT in case of central license, supporting document as a proof of turnover in case of central license, the analysis report of water to be used in the food in the case of central license, possession proof is necessary, electricity bill, sale deed, etc. in case of central license, and at last our cancelled check. Consequences if FSSAI renewal is not done within the specified time. Food business operators is charged with the penalty of 100 rupees fine with each day if he fails to file an application of renewal within the specified time. So this was enough for today. We'll connect with new informative videos soon. If you want your FSSAI license to be get renewed, then you can connect COBBIZ because COBBIZ has a dedicated team that will guide you timely with an easy documentation process and make you comfortable. Thank you.